Hey guys, it's Nate, and we're out in the garage because we've had another development with the 59L project. Now you may be looking at this engine behind me going, wow, what is that dirt clod in the back? Well, that dirt clod in the back is the 59L project. This particular project will take us through the restoration of this 59L motor, and the motor will be dressed up and rebuilt to look like our flat spot logo. So this motor is actually going to be very important for our group once it's finished. We're going to take it and we're going to put it on a running stand, and we're actually going to take it out to as many shows as we can. And it's going to be the focal point of our booth. The main reason that we want to do that is so that, one, we can kick it off in the booth and draw people in who hear the motor. And two, because it's a great way to start a conversation when you can actually point to what you're talking about and ask the person in the booth, hey, I've got a question on this. So we feel it's going to be a really, really great addition to our displays and our booth moving forward. Also, it gives us a great opportunity to do more how-to videos and to get more educational content out there to help you guys. So our first sponsor on this particular project was Offenhauser. They donated the intake and heads that you see behind me. So we're really excited about this, but then shortly after that, I started talking to a guy named Kevin. And Kevin stepped forward and wanted to donate, hold on just a second, this. Now, for those of you that don't know Kevin actually runs Snyder cams. What we have here is a S100 Snyder cam donated by Snyder. And honestly, we couldn't be happier about having this with the project. It's going to give that Flathead an amazing lope. So the other thing that we want to say is that if you're a premium member for the Flat Spot, remember that Snyder Cams is actually one of our discount dealers. So the website has information on how you can get a promo code and actually save about 10% off of your order when ordering through Snyder Cams, which we definitely recommend. They have some absolutely amazing products. So thank you to Snyder Cams. Thank you for kicking up our engine and definitely making it kind of a beast. We were originally thinking we were going to do a stock motor because we didn't think we'd get as much attention from sponsors as we have so far. Right now we have probably close to 7 or 8 sponsors that are donating parts for this project, and more are starting to talk to me now about stuff. So this is really starting to get people's attention. We're really starting to make traction on it, and we're really super excited. I've never personally heard an S100 cam before. So I'm going to put a clip at the end of this that a member sent me that has a very similar Snyder cam. And you've got to hear this thing, and you've got to check out this guy's ride. It is absolutely gorgeous. I spent more time drooling over his car than actually listening to the motor. But definitely listen to it. That's how the 59L is going to sound once we get it out to the show, and we couldn't be more excited. So thanks to Snyder Cams, thanks to Offenhauser. You guys are making this project really come together. So I'm going to do more videos as we start to get more products. A lot of vendors have already said that they've shipped the products that they were interested in donating. And you're going to keep hearing more and more about this project. Hopefully, once we get all the parts together, we're going to actually crack into this motor and get some videos done on the restoration, machining, and stuff like that. So again, we're really excited. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'll definitely get back to you. And definitely check out myflatheadford.com for more updates on this project and for more information that might help you out on yours. You guys have a great day.